Hello and welcome to Azariah's Studio. My name is Sarah. I am the artist and designer behind Azariah's Studio. I'm going to show you how to start a crochet project in the round working the magic ring. So I have my hook. It's going to lay it down. Here's the end of my yarn. I'm going to tension my yarn as I normally would. This is still the end. I'm going to wrap this tail around my finger. I like to go twice so that there's two rings, and I'll show you how to close that here in a moment. I like to do that because it's sturdier. So I'll show you that again. So 1 and 2. Grab everything. See, I actually have 3 in my hand. The 2 of the tail that I wrapped plus my working yarn. Pull it off, grab it with your other hand, pick up your hook, insert your hook into both, yarn over, pull up a loop. I'm going to be working single crochets, so I'm going to chain just 1. And you work into the center of everything as if it were a chain. Right, my pattern calls for 5 single crochets in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now to close this, here's my tail. Got the 2 rings. I'm going to pull on the tail just enough for one of the rings to move. Okay, this ring moved. So I'm going to pull this ring, the one that moved. I want to pull it so that it will close the one that did not move. Pull the tail again to get rid of this loop. And that is a double magic ring beginning. Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw, be sure to like and subscribe. If you have more questions, you can always email me, Sarah@azariahsfiberarts.com, or drop a comment below. Happy making!